Hi everybody. Today I have the Ipsy for September 2021. I also have some things that I bought in the sale from Ipsy and from Boxycharm. Because even though I don't get Boxycharm anymore, they sent me an email inviting me to shop one of the really big sales they were having. So I found some things that were pretty cheap that I had wanted. One of my subscribers requested that I do a swatch of this lipstick that was in my Macy's beauty box a few days ago. This is the Almost Honey. This one is the one that I own and already use. So I'll swatch that right quick for her. This is how it looks on the back of my hand. That beautiful sheer berry color. And then on the inside it looks like this. Okay, so I hope that answered your questions. All right, now on to my Ipsy and Boxycharm products. Let's do the Boxycharm first. I got 3 things and the total was only $15 before shipping, because they did charge, I think it was $4 or $5 for shipping. I got this pack of 30 Poreless watermelon makeup removing wipes. It says gently removes all makeup, including waterproof mascara and for all skin types. And then there were a couple of things I got from MAC that were marked way down. So I chose this eyeshadow. And the shade is Work, Work, Work. And this is one of their Powder Kiss Soft Matte Eyeshadows. It's supposed to have like a creamy texture that becomes a powder. Something like that. The description of it was intriguing, so I wanted to try it. And I like the color too. Here's the color. So I'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it does feel good. There it is on my finger. There's the swatch. That's a pretty color. There it is in the pan. Very nice. And also from MAC, I got a blush. It came in this bubble wrap. And this is their Glow Play blush. And the color is Rosy Does It. Let's see. Wow, that's a beautiful color. It would go with what I'm wearing right now. So, oh, it's creamy. Oh, that's nice. There's the blush right there. Beautiful pink color. Cover this one up. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now I get to try the Poreless wipes to wipe this off. They have a nice smell, not too heavy. Okay, they took that off cleanly too. All right. So these are the 3 things that I got in the Boxycharm sale. Now let's move on to the Ipsy sale. I made 2 separate orders in the Ipsy sale. The first one was this Beauty Blender with the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. In the sale, both of these together was only $20. And it was like getting the foundation for free when you buy the Beauty Blender. This box is cracked. I don't know if I did that or if it was already done like that, but anyway, it comes with this Beauty Blender. Each one came with the Beauty Blender that was close to the shade of the foundation that you ordered. And I ordered 4.4 in. And I have tried this already, and it's like a shade deeper than what I need, but that's okay because I have foundations that are a shade lighter than what I need, so I can just put the 2 of these together. which I have done, and it worked out fine. I like the way it has the little thing here. You press the button and the foundation comes down here, and then you can put then you dab your blender in this little indentation. So this was a good purchase for me. And since I'm basically a foundation junkie, I went back and got this one. This was a set of the Makeup Forever HD foundation, along with a set of brushes. I believe this Makeup Forever foundation retails for like $42, something like that. And the entire set with the brushes was $24. So, and this is one foundation that I have not used before. I had a little sample like a couple of years ago, but I don't actually own the foundation. The shade that I chose was Y522. I don't think it's a match. It might be another one that I need to mix, but let's see. There it is. It's overcast today, so I can't really get the full lighting. But there it is. It's a little red for me, but that's okay. I'll mix it with something that's a little yellow for me. Okay. I'll let that dry and see what the finish looks like. And the brushes, oh my goodness. This box is kind of falling apart, but they come like this. And we got 3 brushes. This dense triangular foundation brush. These are from Complex Culture, and it's called the Face It Brush Trio. And it has the small triangular brush, and this is called the Precision Concealer. The first one was called the Angled Foundation. And then the third brush is this big fluffy one, and it's called Plush Powder. So this is your powder brush, concealer, and foundation brush set. The retail on these was outrageous. I don't remember what it was, but I remember saying that's kind of outrageous for just 3 brushes. But in the sale, I got the brushes and the foundation for $24. Okay, now on to the actual Ipsy bag for this month. It comes in this bag. It's pretty. I like the yellow running through the plaid houndstooth, I think this is called. But anyway, I like the pattern and the yellow running through it. So outside of the bag, first we have these 2 masks. Vitamin A mask, vitamin B mask. They're called BRTC Velvet masks. Alright, let's go into the bag here. The product that I chose for this month was this Tatcha facial cleanser. There are no descriptions of the items in here, just a little skincare guide and some other stuff. But this is the Rice Wash, which is described as a soft cream cleanser. I look forward to trying this. I used the other one. I can't think of the name of it right now, but it was the first one they came out with. I've used samples of that one and I do like it. The next is from Eden Body Works. This is the Nourishing Curl Jam. My daughter would like this. She likes Eden Body Works products. Oh, it smells so good. And it's kind of has a kind of a jelly type texture. Not exactly jelly, but like a cream that's whipped. Kind of. I think she'll like this one. The Tatcha cleanser has a seal on it, so I can't really smell it. And I'm not ready to open it yet. And then from Lower East Side, I have this full brow gel. And this is the shade Dark Brown. There it is. I won't swatch it because I'm not sure if I'll keep it or not. And if I decide to give it away, then I don't want it to be swatched. Okay, and then the final thing is this M2u NYC Eye Primer. It has this cute little drawing on the top. Okay, let's see how it looks. There we go. I wish there was some information about these, but not this time. Okay, here's the eye primer. No scent. There it is. It feels a little bit creamy, but it dries a little bit powdery. So that should work out well. Alright, so for the September Ipsy, I got 2 BRTC facial masks. Tatcha, the Rice Wash Facial Cleanser. The Eden Body Works Nourishing Curl Jam. The Lower East Side Full Brow Gel. And the M2u NYC Eyelid Primer. The foundation dried on my hand. It looks to be like a medium coverage. Nice finish. Okay. And this is the bag. Okay, so that's everything in my September Ipsy. Thank you for watching. Bye.